Here are some of our See Inside and Look Inside series. There's See Inside Planet Earth, How Things Work, and Look Inside Castle. Now these are Usborne books that have lift the flaps, but while they're interactive, they're also informative. So let's take the See Inside Earth. On every page, now I haven't opened a lot of them yet, but on every page, it's full of lift the flaps. And under the flaps is all kinds of information. Now this one is See Inside Earth, so it tells all about the atmosphere and how things warm up, the watery world. Hot and cold deserts. Now I don't know if you can tell, but literally the whole book is lift the flaps. Mountains and rivers. Changing climates. And saving our planet. Also, at the back you see there is an internet link to find out more about climate change and how to save our planet. So that's an awesome one, and they have so many titles in this series. And here's How Things Work. There's Simple Machines, Movers and Shakers, lifting all these flaps is also excellent fine motor practice for your little ones. Getting Going, Making Music, Waterworks, Floating and Flying, Everyday Inventions, and Up, Down, and All Around. And there's also another internet link here to find out how more things work. The Look Inside Castle is one of my favorites. I have learned so many things from this book. There are also tons of lift the flaps. And it also shows a character key of the people that you'll see inside the book. So it talks about the castle kitchen, tournament day, there's a lot of information in here. So this would be a great addition to a medieval theme, or just to teach your child who loves castles and knights and medieval times more about exactly what happened during that time. The pictures are so detailed, and under the flaps is really detailed too. So that is a preview of our See Inside and Look Inside series.